The biggest sporting event on Earth is not the Super Bowl. It is the World Cup. By the end of this, you'll understand how the World Cup works without needing to know anything about soccer. Let's start with the big picture. The World Cup happens every 4 years. National teams compete, not clubs. That means players represent their countries instead of the teams they normally play for during the season. Think of it like the Olympics, except the entire tournament focuses on one sport. The goal is simple. Score more goals than your opponent. A goal counts when the whole ball crosses the whole goal line. Close is not enough. It has to be completely over the line. Now for the tournament itself. The 2026 World Cup features 48 countries. They are divided into 12 groups of 4 teams. Every team plays 3 group matches. A win earns 3 points. A draw earns 1. A loss earns none. The best teams move on. Everyone else goes home. Simple. After the group stage comes the knockout stage. Lose once, your tournament is over. Win, you keep advancing. Think of it like March Madness, except every game lasts 90 minutes instead of 40. What if the score is tied? During the group stage, the match simply ends as a draw. During the knockout stage, the teams play extra time. Extra time means 30 additional minutes. Still tied. Then comes a penalty shootout. 5 players from each team take turns shooting against the goalkeeper. If the score is still level, the shootout continues 1 kick at a time until someone wins. It is football's version of sudden death. Now for the rule everyone talks about. Offside. It sounds complicated. It is not. An attacker cannot receive the ball after moving beyond both the ball and the second-last defender before a teammate makes the pass. Think of it like leaving for a pass before the play officially begins. You started too early. The attack stops. Then there is VAR, Video Assistant Referee. Officials use video replays to review goals, penalties, straight red cards, and cases of mistaken identity. The referee still makes the final decision. The replay simply gives them another look. More VAR, everyone's favorite development. So why does the World Cup matter so much? Because every country gets 1 chance every 4 years. 1 bad match can end years of preparation. 1 great match can become part of national history. The pressure is enormous. The crowds are enormous. The emotions are even bigger. You do not need to know every rule to enjoy it. You just need to understand what is at stake. Billions of people watch, because every match can create a moment remembered for generations. That is why the World Cup feels different from every other tournament. It is not just about winning. It is about representing an entire nation. The game has not changed. You have. Now you know how it works. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.